Our podcast is about short-run equilibrium. The short run is a period of time long enough for existing firms to change their production in reaction to changing economic conditions, but not long enough for new firms to enter the market.
Short-run equilibrium can be represented by this graph here, with quantity along the x-axis and price along the y-axis, with our initial demand curve represented here by D1 and our initial supply curve represented here by S1. Equilibrium is when the amount supplied by firms is equal to the amount demanded by consumers, which is represented on the graph here by Q star 1, at any given price represented by P star 1. To get out of equilibrium requires an external shock to either the demand or the supply curves. Shocks to the demand curve include changes in income, taxes and subsidies, prices of related goods, tastes and preferences, and expectations of consumers. Shocks to the supply curve include changes in technology, input prices, taxes and subsidies, and supplier expectations. In our first example, we will be discussing a shift of the demand curve specifically relating to a price of related goods.
So in this example, we are dealing with the pizza market. The price of related good beer, which is a complementary good, has decreased, causing consumers to buy more beer and consequently more pizza. So the demand for pizza has increased. The demand curve has shifted out and to the right, D1 becoming D2. At this new curve, the quantity of supply of S1 has increased, resulting in this new equilibrium point, with Q star 1 increasing to Q star 2 and P star 1 increasing to P star 2.
In our second example, we are dealing with a shift of the supply curve. The price of cheese, which is an input price, has increased, therefore decreasing the supply, shifting the curve from S1 to S2. Therefore, the quantity demanded has shifted from Q star 1 to Q star 2, but the price has increased from P star 1 to P star 2. At this new price, the quantity demanded has decreased, therefore creating this new equilibrium point on the supply curve. And that is short-run equilibrium.